Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unbox for you, and it feels like I've done this not that long ago. To be honest, this actually arrived rather quickly. Today is the, let me check, the 8th of October. It's very quick. Again, I don't know when this video will go live, probably by the end of the month. But yeah, so let's just get started. I hope it's a good one. We'll see. Oh, it's yellow! Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. So, like I said, it's yellow. It's actually yellow. The inside says, oh, there's a leaflet. Yes, let's go. Liquor. That's Danish, I think. It's a noun, and it means happiness, good luck, and fortune. Is it Danish? I don't know. I'm not sure. Leaflet here. Oh, that is also another paper. It's not like it used to be a shiny paper, and this is matte, and it feels a bit thicker. This might be recycled paper. I don't know. Oh, I see a lot. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Let me start off with the first thing that is this here, the Dr. Botanicals 2 mask with turmeric superfood restoring treatment mask with curcuma. Smooth a thin layer onto the skin after cleansing, toning and exfoliating, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave for 20 minutes and wash off. So I will definitely do a video on that. Oh, that was a lot. Oh my god. Oh yeah. It actually smells like turmeric. Oh my god. Oh, I'm excited to see what this does and how it works. I'm just a little concerned, you know, because curcuma is a very strong scent, so I hope my skin is not breaking out from this. I hope. This ultra restorative mask helps protect against the effects of external aggressors by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost. Powered by a potent botanical ingredient, the creamy textured mask helps to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst brightening your complexion. This has turmeric root powder, lavender, and sea buckthorn. Apply to problem areas and simply wash off to leave your skin feeling softer and brighter. Okay, I will definitely try that out. This! The scrunchie! Oh my god. What year is it? Are we 99 again? By the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and there are 2 scrunchies in. I don't know how well you can see it. God, I love scrunchies. Oh my god. Like, I currently use this one. Do you see how small and tight that is? It really hurts me. So, very excited for this one. Soft satin prevents snagging. Oh, they're even washable. You can put them into the washing machine. Oh my god. Nice, I love it. Add some sunshine to your life with this pair of perfect scrunchies. Perfect for throwing your hair up in a ponytail or styling a belly bun or top knot. These scrunchies are the must-have essential for every woman's beauty bag. The thing is, I can do a ponytail. I cannot do a belly bun, and I can barely do a top knot. So you will see me with a ponytail. But oh god, I love it. They're also very like stretchy, so they don't hurt, and you know, there's no snagging, there's no ripping. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my god. Also, I'm not really a fan of color, as you know. I like black and grey, but I might, like they said, I might add a bit of sunshine into my hair. Maybe my mood lifts up a little as well. Oh, Philip Kingsley. Bond builder, split end remedy. Oh yes. I mean, I cut them a little. I don't know how well you can see it. It's not great, but yeah, split ends. Oh god, it's terrible. And I feel like with winter, it's getting even worse because, you know, everything is dry and your hair is dry and you have the heating on, and just terrible. It doesn't say what it does, so let me just smell it. Oh my god. Ooh, that smells so good. That smells really good. Yeah, I know you're supposed to put it into your hair, and I put it on my hand. I don't care. Oh my god. This is the perfect remedy for your split ends. Shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV rays, the lightweight formula revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. This has green tea leaf extract and castor oil. Run a small amount through your hair from root to tip. For best results, blow dry into your desired style, or alternatively leave to air dry. we apply at least every third wash. The thing is, I will not put something like this from root to tip because my scalp gets very oily very easily and very quickly. So I'll just probably do it from maybe like ear down or even chin down. We'll see. I'll definitely try it out. Rituals. Oh, a body cream. If you watch my Project Pan videos, you know that I have so much body lotion to use up. So much. But yeah. The Ritual of Myrrh. M-E-H-R. Energize Your Soul. A loving body cream. Sweet orange and cedarwood. Oh, that smells good. Oh my god, that actually smells really good. The thing is, Rituals, all their products smell good. The quest for smoother looking skin just became that little bit easier. The buttery, smooth formula boosts absorption and helps to provide the illusion of a more supple, airbrushed complexion. It has sweet orange, cedarwood, and sunflower seed oil. I cannot wait. So far, I really love this box. I realize that. Second last product is the Fulga Oxygen Glow Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. It smells good too. It actually smells nice. It's not like in your face scent, but it's definitely there. It's subtle, but it's there. So this magical moisturizing face cream delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. Used over a period of time, the long-term effects of this cream can enhance the overall appearance of your skin. This has hyaluronic acid and L-enzyme. Apply all over the face and neck area in the morning and evening before bed. So as a normal face cream, like as your last step in your skincare routine, basically. So we'll definitely try that one out as well. And then the last product already, sadly, wow, just look at this. Oh, e-cooking, yes! The cleansing gel. Normal to oily skin, it's vegan, vitamin E and cucumber extract. This powerful formula that is kind to skin helps restore moisture to your epidermis. Combining a smooth mixture of aloe vera and vitamin E, this gel cleanses your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. It contains aloe vera, vitamin E, and cucumber. Apply the gel to the palms of your hands and massage the product into your face, neck, and décolleté. Rinse using warm water. It doesn't smell like anything at all. So I will definitely try that out. I have a lot of cleansers still to go through, but I will make my way through it, and then I will tell you how this works. I mean, e-cooking, if you know, they have that little tub with the peel-off mask. That thing is amazing. It makes your skin so red. Did I not use it up recently? It makes your skin so red, but it works so well. It's so like your skin afterwards is so soft. You look like Mr. Krabs for a while, but it's amazing. So that was everything that's in the box. I'm super excited for all of it, to be honest. You know, first time in a while where I'm super stoked about everything. Yes. Oh my god. So I will do a video on this definitely, and then the rest I will try out and give you my thoughts. Speaking of thoughts, I still have 5 products that I want to talk about that I use up. So anyways, the leaflet. These are the products that I just talked about. Aloe vera, what it is and what it does. Perfect spa bath from home. How to create that and what you need and what to use. Treat Yourself is the theme for this month's box. Transitional Skincare. So as the weather changes and how we're going into different seasons, you should also change your skincare, to deal with drier skin, for example, in the winter and with colder weather, and just you know what I mean. What we're watching. So what the people at LookFantastic are watching on Netflix and on TV. And then the upcoming box, we have a Comfort Zone Reunite Cream, a nourishing vitamin cream for, night skincare routine, you know what I mean. That's it. Okay, so let me get the 5 products that I used up, and then we get going. In case you don't know, these are all the products that I got in LookFantastic boxes that I tried out and that are empty or that I didn't like, whatever. And you will not see them in this video because I talk about it now. And yes, like I said, only products that were in LookFantastic boxes. I'm gonna start off with 2 lip products. This one is the Burt's Bees Watermelon Chapstick, and I love it. There's still a bit left. I don't know how well you can see it. Tiny bit. I'm not gonna dig my finger in this, but I really love this. It made my lips soft It smelled good, it tasted good. Not that you should eat it, but you get it. And yeah, I just love watermelon stuff, so I would definitely repurchase this. This I want to repurchase. Like, if you remember, a long time ago we had one of these in a different scent, a different color. These are the Dr. Lip tint, 100% natural. This is with red reddish pigment. The taste of this, like I said, you should not eat your lip products, but if you accidentally get it into your mouth, it should taste rather good. You know, you just don't want to stand there like what the hell is this? I don't like this. Oh, just the taste of it. The color is beautiful. Let me see if I can give you a swatch of it. Well, swatch, you know what I mean. Very thick formula, and it's not that intense on the lips, obviously, because you blend it in, whatever. I don't like the smell of it. And also, it apparently is a multi-use. You can also use it on your cheeks and on your eyes. Oh my god, do not use it on your cheeks. It looks patchy. It looks, well, it's like Vaseline. And it's like you have like a spot of Vaseline on your cheeks. No. On the lips, it actually looks beautiful. Like I said, it's not as intense. It blends out nicely. And it actually does kind of moisturize on the lips. But not for me. Definitely not for me. Also reminds me to bring all my trash down because my trash can is overflowing. Oh my god. These two products that I recently used up. This is the Balance Me Aha Glow Mask. I use this twice a week with my in-depth skincare, my spa days that I have. I put it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off, and I did actually have a nice glow. It didn't give me any breakouts. It smelled good. That's all I care about. I think I have a video on this. I will leave that here if I can find it. I don't know if I will purchase it, but I didn't hate this product. Then this one, the Fulga Age Purify Intensive Serum. Double correction serum for wrinkles and blemishes. Honestly, I did not see that much of a difference. The thing is, I said that a bazillion times with skincare, I don't really care as long as it doesn't break me out. And spoiler alert, there's a product in here that I will talk about after this. Horrible. As long as it doesn't break me out, as long as it doesn't sting or hurt or dries out my skin, I'm fine with it. And it's a serum that I used before face cream. It worked okay. Like I like it. I would not repurchase it though, because there are a lot of other serums that are just as good as this. But I didn't hate it. And another last product. If you watch my mask video, which is by the way here, this one is the last video. You can check it here. I will put it here. I told you that I had a bunch of breakouts, and you can still see them. There. That was a big one. That was big. It's now dried out. You know, it's crusty. Anyways. And that was because of this product here. It is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. And I use it, obviously, you know, as a moisturizer. I use it just on its own, or like in my skincare routine. It's nice. It gives you an amazing glow. It has a bit of color to it. It's not white. It's nude, if that makes sense. It has a bit of a bronzy undertone. And I looked so shiny. I looked like a golden statue. So I was like, okay, maybe don't use it as a face cream. Use it as, the other word, a primer. So I put it down before foundation, and it was okay. And then I was like, okay, maybe mix it with your foundation, because the foundation I currently use is rather matte. I think it's either matte or semi-matte. Put this in, you know, best of both worlds. You have a bit of a glow, but it's also rather matte. It looked nice on the skin, but Jesus Christ, did it break me out? And I know for a fact that it's not any other of my skincare products, and it's not my foundation, or the concealer, or the blush, because all of those I have been using for quite a while. Granted, it might only be me and not the product that is bad, but I do not like this. It's, oh my god, this much is still in here. But you will never catch me finishing this up. Never. It also has a very weird consistency, you know, just throwing that in as well. It starts off rather thick, and then it gets very runny, and no, definitely not for me. So that was it. That was the unboxing. Oh my god, I had everything so nice on here. Now everything just fell off. The unboxing, and also just fall down. Yeah. Okay. And also the review. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried any of these products? I'm super excited, but then again, I have so much body lotion to use up. I have so much face cleanser, like skin cleanser. Oh my god. Anyways, I will make my way through it. I will work slowly but steady, and we will get there. So I also have a coupon code in the info box. If you want to use it, you can. If not, that's totally fine. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already, and see you next one.